Welcome to Wolfe Canmore, 707 Railway Avenue in Canmore, Alberta. Today we're looking at this beautiful 2019 brand new GMC Terrain SLT packaged vehicle powered by a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine and made it up to a 9-speed automatic transmission, and the vehicle is all-wheel drive as well. Taking a quick look in the interior of the SLT trim level Terrain, we do have the power windows, power mirrors, memory seating, as well as our power electronic tailgate. Fog light button, we do have the leather wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and speak to talk piloted on there. Push button ignition, we have the 8-inch touchscreen, we have our Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in there as well. We have our climate controls, and below that our drivetrain buttons. Black leather interior with the gold stitching, beautiful gold stitching throughout as well. The leather seats heated with that gold stitching there. Taking a quick look at the exterior of this SLT Terrain, you can see the blacked out wheels, the 19-inch wheel and tire package, Hankook all-season tires, SLT badging. Sedona metallic is the paint color on this vehicle. Very nice orange flake to it. LED headlights, LED tail lamps. We have the black roof rails up top, dual chrome exhaust tips, trailer hitch installed as well. Looking at the back of the vehicle, blacked out GMC badging, Terrain, as well as the all-wheel drive. Taking a quick look in the interior again here, our second row bench seat, leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready there as well. You can see this folds down nice and flat, giving you access to your trunk, and is protected from the back of those rubberized mats. We got dual USB and 120 volt outlet down there as well. We got the floor liners installed, keeping the vehicle as clean as possible. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video of this beautiful 2019 GMC Terrain SLT. If this is your next all-wheel drive GMC SUV, come down and see us here at Wolfe Canmore, 707 Railway Avenue in Canmore, Alberta.